Using formulas to perform calculation. Formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign. When the contents of a cell begin with equal to sign, Excel understands that user has given a formula here. If you don't enter the equal sign, Excel will treat your entry as text and the calculation will fail. To show how formulas work, we'll begin with a simple exercise by selecting blank cell A1. Then type equal to 5 plus 5 and press Enter key. As you press the Enter key, Excel performs the calculation and produces the result as 10 in cell A1. Enter some more formula in other cells and see what results are shown by Excel. 1 equal to 8 minus 5, 2 equal to 8 multiplied by 5, 3 equal to 8 divided by 5, equal to 8 exponentiation 5. The results will be 3, 40, 1.6 and 32,768 respectively. Some formulas based on bed mass rule can be entered as 1 equal to 8 plus 5 in bracket minus 2 plus 3 in bracket exponentiation 2. 2 equal to into bracket 9 divided by 3 multiplied by into bracket 4 exponentiation 2 minus 5. You can also use cell addresses to perform calculation in the following way. Notice that when the cell C1 is selected, the formula bar shows the formula you just typed. What appears in the cell is the result. When a formula is typed and used in a cell, it is displayed in the formula bar. The elements of a formula are references, a cell or a range of cells that you want to use in your calculation. Operators, symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, divide by, exponentiation, dollar sign, percentage sign, etc. that specify the calculations to be performed. Constants, numbers or text values that do not change. Copying a formula. There are two methods to copy a formula. Using the fill handle. Step 1. Select the cell that contains the formula, then position the mouse pointer over the lower right corner of the cell until the black cross plus appears. Step 2. Click and drag the fill handle over the cell or cells to which you want to copy the formula, then release the mouse button. Using copy and paste. Step 1. Select the cell that contains the formula and on the Home tab, click OK. Step 2. Select the cell or cells that you want to copy it to. A. To copy the formula and any formatting on the Home tab, click Paste. B. To copy the formula only on the Home tab, click on drop-down arrow of Paste tool and select Paste Special in the Paste Special dialog box and then select Formulas and click on OK button.